Sis, you might be aging your skin even without knowing it. These skincare mistakes are the reason why you look 40 when you are just 20, 25 or 30. In today's video, I will be exposing some skincare mistakes you make without even knowing it that is making you age too fast. It's making you look older than your age. So if this is something that you enjoy watching, do well to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end because I'm going to be spilling tea, like I'm going to be spilling it here, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my space. This is your girl Jenifa, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you guys the real thing, the real deal that you are doing that is making you look older, that is making you age faster than your age. Now let's go straight into today's video. The number one thing you're doing that is making you age faster is skipping your sunscreen. I cannot emphasize this enough. Skipping your sunscreen actually, sun damage actually causes you to age faster, causes premature aging, causes premature sagging, causes premature wrinkles on your face, okay? It leads to fine lines, it leads to wrinkles, and it leads to dark spots, okay? So just by skipping sunscreen, you're inviting a lot of troubles to your face. You're going to start experiencing hyperpigmentation, dark spots on your face, and wrinkles, and then you start looking for hyperpigmentation solutions, how to brighten up dark spots, how to fade dark spots, or how to clear aging signs from your face. The primary thing you should do is to use your sunscreen daily. Whether you're going to stay indoors or you're going out, always use your sunscreen. That is the number one thing you're doing that is making your skin look very much older than how you truly are, okay? So I hope you know that you're supposed to use your sunscreen every day. Do not skip it for any reason, not even for one day. Okay, now the next thing you're doing that is making your skin age faster is overwashing your face. Just because you want to do your skincare routine, you're going to wash in the morning, wash in the afternoon, wash in the evening, you're overwashing your face. I hope you know that the skin in itself produces oil. It produces oil that is supposed to protect your skin, okay? These are natural oils found in the skin. So once you start overwashing your face, what are you doing? You are removing the natural oil that is supposed to be on your face and protect your skin. And that is very, very wrong. Once you do that, you're exposing your face to harsh chemicals, you're exposing your face to skin radicals and all of that, and it's going to cause trouble to you, okay? So avoid overwashing your face. Don't use harsh chemicals to wash your face. For example, you always use bar soap to wash your skin. Why? Why do you always use bar soap to wash your face? There are face washes there for you. These face washes are already formulated to work with the normal pH level of your skin. Remember, the pH level of your face is quite different from the rest of your body. That is why you should use good face washes out there that already, they're already formulated specifically for your face. So people go ahead and use their bar soap that they use on your body to wash on your face. That's very, very wrong. You're stripping your skin of its natural ingredients, the natural oils on your skin, and that is very bad. If you are doing that mistake, you better stop it. Go and get yourself a gentle face wash. Gentle face wash. Preferably use a moisturizing face wash, okay? Now, the third thing you're doing that is making you age faster is ignoring your neck and your hands. I always say this anytime I do my skincare routine for you guys to see. I always tell you, do not forget your neck area and do not forget your hands, okay? Some of you always practice, you're always using your skincare routine just on your face. So when somebody looks at your neck, it's already wrinkled, it's already sagging, it's already having fine lines, it's telling your age. Your face is fine, but your neck is telling your age. That is improper, that's what we call improper fraction. Or maybe your face and your neck is fine, but your hands are wrinkled and they look old. Or probably they are telling your real age. That is very wrong. From today, ensure that if you're applying skincare products to your skin, do not forget your neck area, do not forget your hands. These are very, very vital steps you must take to avoid looking older than your age. Always use your skincare products on your face, your neck, and on your hands, okay? Now, you are not moisturizing enough. You are aging, and then you're not moisturizing enough. Remember, a dry skin is equal to a dull skin. A dry skin is equal to a cracked skin. A dry skin is equal to an unhealthy skin. You cannot be practicing skincare, using good skincare products, and you are not moisturizing enough. Some people, it's not as if you don't have good skincare products. It's because you don't even know how to use it. Ensure that you moisturize enough. Your skin loses elasticity as you age. It loses its natural elasticity. So what do? You feed it with moisture so that whatever skincare products you're using will work. Imagine applying brightening skincare products on a dry skin or on a cracked skin. What you're doing is wrong. Always moisturize. After every skincare procedure, always moisturize. That is number one tip I'm giving you. Always moisturize. Whether you have an oily skin, whether you have an acne prone skin, always moisturize your skin. You can use ingredients like hyaluronic acid, very, very good for moisturization. You can use ingredients like ceramide that provide good moisture to your face. You can use ingredients like glycerin, aloe vera. You should know your moisturizing agents by now. You should know your moisturizing agents. If you don't, I have a video I previously posted. I'm going to leave the link in the in the description so that you can watch that video. Know your moisturizing agents, okay? So always use your moisturizing agents after every skincare procedure. Now, the next thing you're doing without even knowing it is mixing so much ingredients at the same time. Only you are using BHA, you are using AHA, you are using retinoids, you are using alpha arbutin. You are just mixing so many ingredients just because you have the money to buy these products, or because you can afford it, or because you have them, or because somebody else even recommended it to you. Always do your research. No ingredients that cancel out the other ingredients. No ingredients that you can combine. Know your ingredient. That's why I always say know your ingredients. Before you buy a skincare product, flip to the back, see the ingredient that it contains. Don't just buy any product because you want to use it, or because it's recommended to you, or because you have the money. Imagine going to mix retinol with an AHA, or mixing retinol with a BHA. You're using too many active ingredients on your face. That will, turn out very, very bad, and it will start aging your skin. Know your ingredients. Research. Just be minimal. Start slow. Don't overload your face with so much ingredients. It's not good. It's going to tell on your skin. Before you know it, you start having wrinkles, you start developing dark spots, and before you know it, you start using a whole lot of products again, just because you're looking for solution. Okay? So ensure that you know your ingredients and know what to mix and what not to mix together. If you know your ingredients, you have already solved the whole problem on its own. But when you start mixing ingredients together, this particular issue makes your skin age 5 times faster. Yes, you always sleep with your makeup on. Okay, once you come back from work or you come back from wherever you went to, you don't have your bath, you don't wash your face, you just go and sleep because you want to wake up looking beautiful the next day, or because you're lazy, or I don't even know the reason. But make sure that you take your makeup off every blessed day, every blessed night before you sleep. Use oil-based cleansers first and then wash your face. If you cannot and you feel so lazy, use micellar water to take out the makeup on your face. If you leave makeup on your face and sleep till the next day, you're just causing more problems. You'll wake up with breakouts. You'll start waking up with different issues. So ensure you take your makeup off every day before you sleep. The next thing you're doing without even knowing it is that you're over exfoliating your face. Just because you're being told to exfoliate your face, remove the dull skin from the surface of your face, or remove dead skin cells, you over exfoliate your skin. Some of you exfoliate every day. Some of you exfoliate every day because you feel that is the proper thing to do. It is not. No. Don't do that. Exfoliate only 2 to 3 times a week. 2 times if you have normal skin, 2 times if you have dry skin, 3 times if you have oily skin, 3 times if you have acne prone skin. I hope you get that clearly. By the time you start over exfoliating your face, you're washing off the natural oil that is found on your skin, and you're already exposing your skin to a lot of problems. Stop exfoliating every day, please. 2 times a week or 3 times a week. Some of you use retinol every day because you say, oh, my skin is hard and things does not penetrate all the time. It's not true. Don't use retinols every day. Don't use exfoliating products every day. That's very, very wrong. Okay, so stop using over exfoliating your face. The next thing you do is that you do not wash or replace dirty tools. Some of you have makeup brushes that you have been using since last year. You have not washed it. You have not cleaned it. That alone brings dirt to your face, acne causing bacteria to your face. You're always using tools that you do not change. Some of you have not even changed your bed sheets for the past 3 months. You have not changed your pillowcases, and you expect that your face, your skin should look well prepped, right? No. Number one, start washing your tools weekly, on a weekly basis. All your makeup tools, wash them. Your face hankies, wash them on a weekly basis, okay? And start changing your pillowcases. Preferably use a silk pillowcase. All right, so guys, I'm going to give you a pro tip. The pro tip is stop using anti-aging products too early in life. Some of you are in your 20s, early 20s. Some of you are 18. You're already using anti-aging products. Why? Tell me why. If you're not up to 30 or 35 or 30 plus, is it that you're 30, 40, 50? Why do you have to use anti-aging products? No. I know it's good to start early, but not too early. You're 18, you're 25. You're already using anti-aging products. Why? Don't use anti-aging products too early. At the same time, don't start using it too late. Don't wait until you're 65 before you start using anti-aging products, okay? Once you're 30, 35 and above, you can now start using your anti-aging products. And please be consistent. Whatever skincare routine you're doing, be consistent, okay? That is just the basic. That is the real deal. Whether you're using sunscreen or any other product you're using, be consistent. That is the only way that your skincare products can work for you. So if you find yourself doing any of the skincare mistakes that I just mentioned to you, just stop it, okay? Let us know in the comment section, what are you doing in this list I just gave you? What is that particular thing you're doing that you did not even know, okay? Let us know in the comment section. If this video was helpful to you, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this video. Then see you in my next video. Stay glowing.